So what is ahimsa? Turn over the pages of Encyclopedia Britannica, turn over the pages of all best dictionaries in the world. Nowhere there is a definition of the word love. Nobody could explain except Patanjali. Patanjali says, truth comes later. These religionists and philosophers talk about truth. No truth, no truth, no truth. What do you mean by no truth and how to know truth? Nobody teaches us. Patanjali, being very practical, says ahimsa. A means no, hinsa means harming, injuring, hurting, killing. You don't harm, hurt and kill anybody with whom you live. First practice. At home, the husband has no right to hurt, harm, injure her husband, her wife, his wife. And the wife has no business to do this to her husband. Because if she doesn't do and if he doesn't do this, then they don't love each other. That's fake. Love means non-hurting, non-harming, non-injuring, non-killing. When you practice this in your daily life, it means you love. This is the definition of love. Ahimsa comes first. First comes love, then comes truth. Suppose I have only one eye. God forbid. And here shall you say, oh, you man with one eye, come over here. Will I feel good? You are speaking truth. You are not lying. Patanjali said, don't say that. Speak that truth, which is inseparably mingled with love, which is greased with love permanently, eternally. That truth is not needed, which is a harsh truth, which hurts anyone. First principle is not to hurt. This was translated by Tulsidasa. Many people say that Tulsidasa was a great poet. I said, anybody is a great poet. You see, how great can you be? What greatness can you show? You can only change the basket, the eggs are the same. When you study the scriptures, you cannot go anywhere. It's already there. Nothing new you can think. Whatever you have heard, seen, imagined, thought of, read, same thing you will talk, same thing you will make poems, write. So when you understand this first ahimsa, you know love, how to love others. It's very difficult to love. It's very easy to expect. In the world, expectation is called love. If wife caters, Indian wives cater their husband. If she goes on catering, husband says, my wife loves me. Because all the time she's serving him. A poor girl, for some reason, cannot serve her husband, then she says, you don't love me anymore. Same thing happens. Wife expects so much from husband. Have you heard the word German Shepherd? It's not the dog, it's the Indian woman. She looks at her husband like this all the time. It's difficult to survive in that situation. You see. But she thinks it's a love. You see. Such a relationship holds the family together. It's okay. Here, the word love means, what do you do by not doing? You are doing something by not doing. This is the point. You don't have to love somebody and then not understand what it is. No, you don't have to do certain things. Not to harm, not to injure, not to kill. By doing not, you are doing something.